Okay, now I've got a receiver, which is this 4-channel receiver. We can ignore the net LED now because it's no longer going to be online. It's simply acting only as a radio receiver. So it will pick up a radio signal from the hub, which is doing the internet connection. With my phone, and I want to put it into learn that button to an individual output, I can choose which output I would like to apply that button to. To select that, I press the learn button here, give it a good second pulse. It's selecting all 4 relays. I don't want to do that. I want to individually select, let's say, relay number 2. So I've repeat press my switch, I should explain, so that I'm selecting output number 2. Go back to my transmitter now and press a button. That will then go through the hub to the radio receiver and send the learn signal, and now that receiver has learnt and applied relay 2 with this button here. So when I operate my handset, relay 2 operates. I can add another button now if I want to. Add edit buttons, add another button, button 2 it's called it. I can rename that anything I like. Door. And I can select button 2, or I can select up to 16 buttons, and these are 16 unique buttons on my screen. So if I selected 14 there just as a random, and I made this a timed operation for 5 seconds. It's preset for 5 seconds. Okay, so now I've got the door which will operate for 5 seconds. Nothing will happen, of course. All I've done is create the button on the screen. To actually make it do something, I need to pair it to a receiver. So with this one, I will press my learn button, and this time I'll select relay 1, flashing there. Now I'll operate the button I want to pair with it, and it learns that in. So now when I operate this button, relay 1 will operate for 5 seconds. There we go, and that's it. You can create up to 16 buttons. You can pair them to individual outputs. You can pair them to more than one output. You can pair them to many different receivers. You have the flexibility for a 1 button to 1 output, 1 button to many outputs, or many buttons to 1 output, or many buttons to many outputs, depending on how many phones you've got, how many receivers you've got, and how many relay outputs they've got.